Yes, you do!
Hey. Remember you had that Tony Tornado YouTube channel?
Yeah, the YouTube channel that I made the one video and stopped because we had to move here. I needed a new
It was
job.
a crappy video! You stopped because it was a crappy video! Remember?
And?
Well, or you know how me and Mantha always use your mom's camera?
Yeah?
We started posting on your channel.
Posted what?
Videos where we're walking around the house and we're recording.
What were you doing on that?
Put them on your channel.
You started posting videos?
Yeah, we put them on your channel.
I don't believe you. This is a prank.
No.
Are you trying to prank
No.
me? Samantha, is it true?
Yeah, it's true.
Show me right now. Show me. Go put it on the TV.
Do I have to show?
Yes. Samantha, you did this.
I didn't do it. Millie's the one who uploaded them.
She was filming this.
It doesn't matter. You know why? It doesn't matter because you know why? Because you posted them, not me.
Recording them. I swear.
What the fuck's taking so long?
Sparky, quiet.
This is the channel, and we changed your name. I thought it was more fitting, and we've been putting all the videos on it that we're recording around the house, and some of them